Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cold coffee with xanthan gum. First, gather your ingredients: brewed cold coffee, a sweetener if desired, and a tiny pinch of xanthan gum. This amazing ingredient helps create a wonderfully smooth and thick texture, preventing any separation often seen in homemade cold coffee drinks. It's the secret to achieving that professional, cafe-quality mouthfeel right in your own kitchen. To begin, ensure your coffee is already brewed and thoroughly chilled. Next, pour about 8 ounces of your cold coffee into a blender. If you like your coffee sweet, now is the time to add your preferred sweetener, such as simple syrup or a sugar substitute. The crucial step is to carefully measure and add just 1 to 0. 2 grams of xanthan gum. Too much will make it overly thick. Now, secure the lid on your blender and blend the mixture on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll notice the coffee transforming, becoming slightly thicker and more uniform in texture. The xanthan gum works quickly to emulsify and stabilize the drink, giving it that desirable body. Once blended to perfection, simply pour your luxurious cold coffee over a generous amount of ice. For best results, always start with a very small amount of xanthan gum and add more if needed, as a little goes a long way. Feel free to experiment with different flavorings, like a dash of vanilla extract or a pump of chocolate syrup, to customize your drink. This method ensures a consistently delicious and professional-tasting cold coffee every time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.